Let me ask you something. Hey, how many of you have a spot on your property that just doesn't look right? Maybe it's not terrible, but it's not something you're proud of either. Well, today I'm going to show you how a little bit of mulch and a little bit of effort can completely change the look of a space. Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. Today we're working right here in front of the office at the auto repair shop. This flower and rock bed sits between the driveway and the yard, and it's one of the first things people see when they pull in. And I'll tell you right now, first impressions matter. Now take a look at this. It's not terrible, but it's not where I want it to be. It's a little tired, a little worn down. And when customers pull in, this is what they see. That matters more than people think. When someone pulls up to your place, what's the first thing they see? Now this is where the Kubota comes in. And I'll tell you, this machine makes all the difference. We're using the bucket to bring in the mulch and spread it out. You can do this by hand, but why would you if you don't have to? Work smarter, not harder. That's how I look at it. This saves time, saves your back, and gets the job done quicker. Are you doing your projects by hand, or do you have something that helps you out like this? Now I want to be clear about something. This is temporary mulch. We're just sprucing this up right now. Come the end of June, we're bringing in a full load and doing it right. We've got a big get-together coming up. Fireworks, family, friends. 4th of July is a big deal around here. And I want this place looking sharp. There's nothing worse than having people over and seeing something you wish you had fixed. Now here's where it all comes together. We go back through with a rake, smooth it out, even it up, and give it that clean finished look. This right here, that's what separates a job from a good job. Anybody can dump mulch. Not everybody takes the time to finish it. Do you take that extra step, or do you call it good and walk away? Now if you've watched my videos, you already know I like rocks, and if you look around this property you're going to see plenty of them. Rocks give structure, they define the space, they break things up, and they last. Mulch looks great, but rocks give it character. Are you more of a mulch person or a rock person? Now take a look at this. The same space, same bed, but a completely different feel. Cleaner, brighter, more inviting. And that's what we're after. You don't always need a full overhaul to make something look better. Sometimes it's the small things. Fresh mulch, clean edges, a little attention. That's what people notice. When was the last time you refreshed your landscaping? Do you do it yourself or hire it out? Would you use a tractor like this or go the manual route? Are you getting ready for the 4th like we are? All right, my beautiful viewers. That's how we take a tired looking bed and bring it back to life. If you got something out of this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. because we've got a lot more coming. This is James Carpenter with Country Living, and I'll see you in the next one.